How to use a McDonald's gift card on Doordash. Now the first thing that we want to do is just load up the Doordash application here, and once we have the app open, we will click on me found in the bottom right corner. So click on me, and then from here we want to go to our phone or to Doordash settings. After we have selected settings, we will see an option called gift card. So just click on gift card here, and it's going to show us this have a gift card redeem. So click on redeem, and here we can enter our McDonald's gift card pin or code. After we have pasted the pin or code here, we will just click on redeem to our account, and then once we have the McDonald's gift card redeemed, we can make an order here, and it should automatically apply the McDonald's gift card if we're ordering from McDonald's. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.